Hi there, my name is Emily Beynon and I've been Principal Flute of the Concertgebouw Orchestra in Amsterdam for 25 years. I started this channel at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020, and my aim was and is to share some of my experience of playing and teaching around the world with you. Whether you're a student or an amateur, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. So far, I've done technical tutorials about vibrato, articulation, breathing, practicing, dynamics and tone colour. And if you're preparing for orchestral auditions, there are videos about some of the most famous excerpts like Daphnis, Mendelssohn Scherzo, Saint-Saëns Volière, as well as some general tips and Q&As. And there are a few live concert videos here too, so you can hear me performing, not just talking. So do sign up and have a look around here at the videos that I've made so far. And if there's something that you feel is missing that you'd like to see here, do please let me know. I love hearing from subscribers. By the way, there are subtitles on most of my videos in Chinese, German, Portuguese, Italian and Japanese. Some have as many as 15 or 16 languages. So please join me and this lively community of flute players from around the world.